Hi there, my name is Tatiana and you're watching YouTube channel YouCan. Today is June 8, 2026. I'm located in central Pennsylvania zone 6B. I am a huge advocate for berries in your own backyard, even if you don't have time to garden. Berries in your own backyard aren't only convenient for the fact that you could just walk out, collect whatever berry it is that you're growing and consume it, but they're also really easy on the carbon footprint. Berries are easy to grow, maintain, and harvest. Black currants and josta berries are not very popular, but you should definitely plant one in your yard. This is a black currant. We planted this bush probably 8 years ago. As you can see, the berries come in little clusters. They ripen starting from the top, and the bottoms are still green. These ones, for example, are ready for picking. Black currants fruit on last year's canes. So if we were to take a look at this stem right here, this area right here, this is this year's growth. This is what is going to have berries on its next fruiting season. But this whole stem right here has berries on it. This is growth from the last however many years we've had this plant. So the bigger your plant, the more berries you have. Black currants and josta berries have very similar flavors. Josta berries and black currants don't taste like your standard common berry, like blueberry or strawberry. They have a burst of aroma and flavor as soon as you bite into them. Slightly tart, a little bit sour, and when they're fully ripe, actually quite sweet as well. Because the berries have a lot of pectin in them, if you choose to make jelly or jam out of josta berries or black currants, you won't really need to add any thickeners, as the berries, the jam will thicken on its own. Visually, black currants and josta berries don't have a lot of difference. The difference is more in the flavor, with black currants being a little bit more potent and josta berries being a little bit more mild. Besides the berries being absolutely delicious, you can also use leaves. Leaves traditionally in Russian culture are used for pickling, to add flavor, also to enhance the crunchiness of whatever it is that you're pickling, whether it's cucumbers or other vegetables. They are also delicious in tea, aka herbal infusion. So you could pick the leaves and then put them in a thermos, just like so, and pour them over with boiling water and let the water infuse with the leaves, and you got an absolutely delicious tea that tastes mildly like your black currants or josta berries. These berries can be used in pies. I've actually made a strawberry black currant pie, which was absolutely scrumptious. Josta berry does not require a lot of maintenance. This bush has not been trimmed, has not been shaped, cut, sprayed for many years, and is producing berries. I'm assuming that if we were to go in and thin it out and trim some of the branches up, we would probably have better and easier access to the berries. We would probably have some more berries on it. It would probably look a little more aesthetically pleasing, but the point is, if you don't have time to garden, if you don't know anything about gardening, planting a black currant or josta berry bush in your backyard will give you berries with very, very little involvement on your part. Out of all the berries that you should grow, black currants and josta berries are probably on the lowest end of the spectrum for maintenance. So right now is black currant picking season. The best time to plant a black currant bush or a josta berry bush was yesterday. The next best time is today. If you want to learn more about how to care for black currant and josta berry bushes, follow along and I will take you through the seasons just like I did with black raspberries. Thanks for watching. Hit a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.